everybody, it's Lyn from LynzCraftz Designs. I'm coming by today doing a demo slash tutorial, whatever you want to call it, for Pandahall Selected. They kindly contacted me and sent me a couple of things. I'll put the link below to the unboxing. And today I'm going to use these little tiny skull beads. And I say little tiny because, boy, they are tiny. They're only tiny because they're so hard to hold on to. Okay? So I've got that. I've got these glitter beads. These glitter beads, I just made these. And they have been sealed. The sealer that I'm using, I get lots of questions about. This is Varathane, and I actually got it from one of the clay suppliers. But I won't put the link below because I think I ran them out. So, it's Varathane, and here in Texas, at least, in my area, it is extraordinarily expensive. It's like 80 bucks for a gallon of this stuff. It is a floor sealer. It's a water-based gloss floor sealer. So if you could find it in the pint size, that is so doable, but not in my area. So I'm gonna take I'm going to take these little tiny seed beads after I fix this eye pin. Okay. And on the glitter beads, I'm going to use the black seed beads. And on the skull, I'm going to use these, kind of coppery colored, I think. And I should put my glasses on because I can't see. Well, I can't see these tiny little holes in these seed beads. So, seed bead, skull bead, is so that I don't break that seed bead when I bend it back. Okay, so then I'm going to stick my index finger, use that as a guide, chop that off. Then I'm going to grip the tip, turn it back towards myself, and continue the action just to make it another loop. Then you will have two loops that face the same direction. Okay? I'll do that again. I'll do that to... Ooh. I'll be right back first. Okay. This particular eye pin has a rough end on one end, and no matter what type of eye pins I have gotten, there will be a couple in there that have that. So we may have to hunt around for us. Okay, so the black seed bead, then the glitter bead, and we'll find another one of these. Okay, now I'll remind you why it won't matter. A little gap, fold it over, index finger, we cut off the tip. So we just cut off that rough bit. Pull the tip back towards myself. And then continue on the loop. Now this one, the upper loop wasn't closed enough, and neither was the bottom one. Therefore, it swallowed up that seed bead. Let's fix that. There we go. Okay, now I've got 5 of those, and I'm only going to need 4 of these little skulls. And I've got this little toggle clasp, and I've got a bag of jump rings that I should only need 2 of. Okay. So, we will start. Open up one end. Add a skull. Now remember to always add the skulls facing the same direction. Well, I mean, if that matters to you. We'll take another one. Do the same thing. Bead again. Okay, I just had to exchange that little skull section out for another one. Okay. So again, with the camera eating footage, but luckily it was just the last. So, thank you so much to Pandahall Select for sending me these fun beads. Sorry about that. I'll have the products listed below where you can grab your own. I'll also have a coupon code listed below. There it is. So cute. So cute. Okay. Again, lots more glitter beads to work with. Oh goodness. Alright, thank y'all so much for watching. I'll have all the links listed below. I have an Amazon shop as well. I have an Etsy shop as well. The rest of my social media links will be listed below. Thank y'all so much for watching. And bye for now.